Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This face is an absolute no-no. So what we're going to do is use 4 products. I'm going to use my brow pencil, mascara, BB cream, and last but not least, ProConcealer. These are the products here if you want to go grab them now. All right, so I'm going to start off with my brow pencil. And yeah, I know y'all see this nail. It broke like right before I decided to record this video, but we gonna keep working anyways. Y'all just try not to pay it any mind. Now we're gonna keep this thing really simple because like I said, this video is for the beginners. So we're gonna just use this brow pencil. We're gonna line our brows and we're also going to fill them in with the pencil as well. Make sure to blend it out with your spoolie. So yeah, we're keeping it very simple using this one product to fill in our brows. And you're just going to continue to blend them out until it's all like even and to your preference. Now, you notice my brows are not very dark. I'm trying to keep it with that little natural look / feel. This tutorial is for those of you that really do not wear makeup, but you just kind of want to look a little bit more put together. So I'm trying to keep it simple, but we are lining our brows with the ProConcealer as well as adding it under our eyes to our dark spots. Now, you do want to use this concealer all over your face wherever you may need it. In any dark places, definitely cover up any blemishes or things that you might have. This is for that. So use as little or as much as you may need. Now, around the mouth area tends to be a little bit darker than the rest of my face, so I am going to put a little bit there. But if you do not need to do this step, then you may skip it. Now, I'm using my large stippling brush to blend this in. If you have a beauty blender, feel free to use that. But I'm just trying to show you guys some options. You can either use a brush or a beauty blender for this step. And you're just going to blend out the concealer where it's just kind of, melting into your face, blending into your face as much as possible. So yeah, I am going to also show you the beauty blender. You can use this as well. Definitely get in those hard to reach places where the brush cannot reach. So yeah, use that as well. But as you can see, I mean, it looks pretty good. But we are going to use some BB cream. This is very lightweight. I suggest using this instead of foundation if you are a beginner with your makeup. It's very lightweight. Also has some SPF for sunscreen. And if you have like acne prone skin and things like that, it definitely helps to improve your skin in that area as well. But we're just going to use that same large stippling brush and blend that in too. Now, those are the only products that I'm going to use on my face for this natural beginner look. As you can see, I have not used very much, but it does look quite well. So yeah, just continue to blend that in. And you do want to go ahead and just add some mascara. Now, I'm not using foundation for this part of the video because I just want to show you guys that you can achieve a natural put together look without using many products. But we are going to do a little bit of gloss and add some shine to our lips. This does have a slight tint to it, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. You can also do a bold lip with this as well just to make it pop a little bit more. But I'm just keeping this as a natural, real subtle look. Kind of like a no makeup thing. So yeah, it looks really good. So you can opt to just stop right here. Thumbs up if you like it so far. But wait, I am going to give those of you that would like to take this an extra step and add a little bit foundation. You can use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and you can add eyeshadow. Both of these are things that can be found at Walmart. But for today, I'm not going to use the foundation. I just want to show you guys what you are able to use. I'm only going to use the foundation. I'm only going to use the eyeshadow. And I'm not even going to use my brushes. I'm going to use the little thing that came with it, the little applicator that came with it. Because like I said, I'm trying to show you guys that you can still achieve a look with just using the products that you just buy from Walmart. So yeah, I'm going to take that lightest color as you saw And I'm just putting it over my eyelid. I'm showing you the difference between the two. This is very, very subtle. It still gives off those natural vibes. So if you want to do this step, definitely take it there. If not, you can leave it at no eyeshadow. But I just want to show you that this eyeshadow palette in particular still gives off that natural, no makeup look. So yeah, we're using that brown color to just trace over our eyelids, to kind of to show that, to blend in that line of demarcation from your eyelid color. And I'm just going to take a little bit down to the corner of my eye. And I'm just kind of blending that in as best I can with this little applicator brush. And I'm just going to do that to both eyes, adding it to separate the lid color and just bringing it downward to blend it in. Pay attention to my movements because it does really help in blending in this shadow. And so as you can see, I mean, it's really, really, really subtle. So I think you guys that are not really used to wearing makeup will love this look. And as you saw, I just flipped over the little applicator, and now I'm going in with the lightest color on this little palette, and I'm using it to highlight under my brows a little bit, just to add a little bit awakeness. Like I always say, like, y'all got to be woke. This helps in making you look a little bit more awake in the mornings. Alright, so now that I have that blended in, I am going to make sure to blend out my eyebrows with the spoolie. As you know, after I apply any like foundation or any type of product to my face, I do always go back in and blend it out. This is also the time for you to fix any areas that you want to improve, such as make them darker, or you know, just brush out your actual hairs on your brows. This is the time to do that. But yeah, so this look is finished. I mean, this is a simple, natural, easy beginner tutorial for makeup. So let me know in the comments below if you like it. Now, because I did go ahead and put eyeshadow on, I am going to go back in and add a little bit more mascara just to brush off any of the eyeshadow that may have gotten on my eyelashes. But yeah, so this look is very pretty, very natural. I think you guys can handle this. Let me know if you need something a little bit more beginner friendly, and I'll be happy to upload that for you. But yeah, so the hair is now done, and this is the finished look. Yeah, now you can really tell how it all comes together. Now, me being me, and because I'm going somewhere today, I am going to go back in with a little bit more. So yeah, you guys, I've went back in with a little bit more gloss, and I'm now adding a little bit of highlights. Don't judge me. But yeah, this is just a little extra step that I opted to do. You do not have to do this. But yeah, you guys, let me know how you enjoy this beginner's look. Let me know if you would like to see more videos on my channel. Here is another view of the products that I talked about in this video. Be sure to go and pick those up. Thank you for watching. Bye.